Hello, just a quick tutorial to tell you how to download the Microsoft Office products to your computer, such as Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you go to the Lee University website, the easiest way to access it is if you scroll all the way to the bottom and you click on Employee Email. Also gives you access to your student email accounts. You'll probably have to log in. I happen to be already logged in. But then you'll go to the top left-hand corner to the tic-tac-toes. Click on that. Go to this link for Microsoft 365. It's going to bring this up, and you will see in the top right, it's going to say Install Apps. And so now you're going to have the option to install the apps such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to your own computer rather than having to use the online version. This will unlock many more features than what you have available in the online version. Hope that helps.